Dale, and here in my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, shop with me, anything about makeup here every Thursday. So yes, if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's vlog, we're gonna shop with me at my Winners local store here in my place, and we'll go search for great finds and high-end makeups in an affordable price. So yes, what are you waiting for? Come join me.
So hello guys, so we're here at the local Winners store. So I found a Profusion mini eyes tassel for $4.99, and I found the BH Stellar Lash volumizing mascara for $6.99. Another velour lashes, and Cara Beauty at $4.99. Fabulous. Oops. Oh, and we have this Real Techniques mini sizes brushes for $6.99. And we have also some limited edition Real Techniques, $12.99. $3. Another Profusion for $6.99. Oh, and we found... Oh, sige. Another NYX liquid for $7.99. And we have some Marc Jacobs here. 3-piece travel set size for $19.99. Oh, and some glitters from Anastasia Beverly Hills for $14.99. And another Becca bronzers for $14.99. And more of some Makeup Revolution highlighters. And here Some Physicians Formula blush. Oh, we got some Milani translucent in deep for $5.99. We have this gift pack, travel exclusive MAC lipsticks. This is for $24.99. This is a different one also. Shade for $24.99.
Could I get Sherry to the front line for backup? Sherry to the front line for backup, thank you.
Now we got from BH Cosmetics Nude Blush for $7.99. Norris one for $12.99. Powder bronzer from Anastasia, $12. Oh, there's some blush from Makeup Revolution. I think it's a cream blush. It's $5.99. And this one also from Makeup Revolution. Powder contour for $9.99. We have more here from ELF. Sorry. Oh. More Profusion. This is the shade for $9.99. Umbro, $12.99. Fusion Masquerade. Here's the shade for $8.99. And another Profusion here. It's called Indifferent, 35 shade. I think it's all matte. And it's for $12.99. Another Profusion palette. It's Aspiration 32 shade eyeshadow for $9.99. And also we have this BH Cosmetics Modern Neutrals for $12.99. Palette from Makeup Revolution for $7.99. It's in the Becca. Oh, we have some Marc Jacobs here. $19.99. Marc Jacobs. 19 on this one. This Makeup Revolution for $5.99. Oh, I like this one for $7.99. It's all a blush. I got this MAC 94. And some palette here. You have the 1991 BH Cosmetics for $9.99. We have some Profusion here, $5.99. BH Cosmetics Studio for $9.99. Another Rebecca for 24. Marc Jacobs for 19. And a lot of Perfusion palette, the Inclination palette, Bro Inspiration palette for $9.99. The Perfusion Masquerade palette, and it's an 18 shade for $8.99. Indifferent for $12.99. Oh. I don't know what this is on. Clinic. Oh. This one's for $39.99. Yeah, and more subculture over there. Nails. And you got some beauty blender here for $19.99. Small ones. Oh, something from Shiseido for $29.99. A Perfusion set, PH Cosmetics. This is a MAC one. Yeah. And lots of Perfusion. This one for $12.99. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a mirror, shadows, and pressed glitters with a brush. This one.
Yes, guys, so this is all for my video. I hope you enjoyed my shopping. And yeah, I grabbed several makeups during that shopping day. So if you want to see what I got, just click on that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest hauls, makeup hauls. And yes, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to comment down below if you want it, if and what you think, or any video request. And I'm gonna go shop. I'll bring you and as I go shopping. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I think this is all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Take care, guys.